Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the video live and a stable URL. This is crucial because the QR resolves to that link. Once done, choose between static and dynamic codes. Dynamic lets you change destinations later and collect scans. Next, pick a generator that exports high-res PNG or SVG and supports error correction levels. This affects readability. Make sure you have a destination page ready or a short redirect URL. Later steps depend on that choice. Now configure the QR itself. Choose an error correction level suitable for how the code will appear. Higher correction tolerates damage but increases density. Next, set output size and DPI. 300 DPI for printed materials, higher pixel width for large posters, and at least 200 px for digital. Shorten or route the URL through a redirect if you want analytics, and optionally embed UTM parameters. Once configured, generate a test set in multiple sizes and file formats for validation. Finish by exporting the QR in the appropriate format, SVG for large prints, PNG for general use. Place it with a clear quiet zone and contrasting background, then print or upload to your layout. Test on multiple devices and apps to confirm it opens the video and autoplays when expected. If scans fail, check contrast, quiet zone, and that the URL uses HTTPS. Regenerate with higher error correction or simplify the URL. That single troubleshooting tip will solve most scan failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.